The greater than absolute value has a specific rule for it. If I have an absolute value that starts out as a greater than problem, I need to fit it to this template so that whatever's in my absolute value is less than the negative of that number or greater than the positive. First, make sure your absolute value is by itself. If you need to add or subtract to get the absolute value bar by itself, do that. In looking at this problem, this is a greater than problem. Our absolute value is already by itself, so we take the thing that's inside the absolute value, we set it less than the negative of the 8, greater than the positive of the 8, and then we simply solve the equation by multiplying by 4 on both sides and solving. So 3x is less than, if I add 1 to both sides, I get a negative 31 on that side. So x is less than negative 31 thirds, or multiply by 4 on that side. Add 1 and I get 3x is greater than 33. So x is greater than 11. Now, since this one is an OR problem, if I put this one on my number line and I take a look at it, let's erase a little bit here so that I have some room to put this on a number line. If I take this and I put it on a number line, anything that's less than negative 31 thirds will be all the numbers out to the left. Since there's no equal sign in my problem, I use a parenthesis. Anything greater than 11 would be out this way. So when I put this in interval notation, there's a big gap. The numbers furthest to the left would be negative infinity. And then, since I have a big gap, I use the union symbol, and I have 11 to positive infinity.